So Alstroemeria, which is our biggest product, is a different flower that lasts longer, and you see it develop as time passes. And so it's a very special gift. And you have a range of colors from white to purple, pink, and red. So it's amazing the amount of colors you'll get from these flowers. Our company was founded back in 1969, so it was one of the pioneer companies to start the business and the industry of growing and exporting flowers into the US. Our expertise in Alstroemeria has made us one of the best growers of them in the world, and today we have a very nice and very important partnership with Stop & Shop. We send around 6 million stems a year to Stop & Shop.
Before we plant it, we make sure the soil and the conditions are ideal for it to grow. We're lucky here in Colombia that the soil temperature and the air temperature is very constant, and it's ideal for this crop. Once we plant it, on a daily basis, we need to tend it or take care of it in order to ensure that the final customer is always getting the best that we can produce here at the farm.
Stop & Shop values a lot of what we do here with the people and the environment. What is great also is that they're very passionate as well as we are with the product. So they come to our farms, we show the process, we work together on seeing what they like best. A bigger flower, a stronger color, bigger bunches. So we've been able to create a variety that is called Handpicked Happiness, and it's only sold at Stop & Shop.
From the time we harvest it until it gets to the store, it's around 4 to 5 days. When the flowers reach the supermarket, they are not showing that much color. So we make sure that when we harvest them here in Colombia, the whole experience will become when they take them home, and the whole color will show at their houses.
So the two things that I love the most is seeing the people working here and with the care they take of the flower, and then seeing a consumer picking a bunch of my flowers in the store. It's an amazing feeling.